Kick during the breath. Kick during the breath. Kick during the breath. Face in. And face in. And great. Hey everyone, Jim Reiser, SwimLessonsUniversity.com, and welcome to our new SwimFin series. The SwimFin we love for a lot of things. One thing I like to use it for is for a progression in our prone or inline kick. You just saw Julian here do a nice job holding the barbell for the prone kick. And now that he does that real well, he's kicking during his breath, he's getting his head back down without hesitation. The next step is we put the barbell up and we put on the SwimFin on. They're real easy to put on. Stand up, Julian. You just hold it on their back, have them put their hands up, and it's just a little strap. Put it through the hook, Velcro it on. Same thing on the bottom. Takes just a couple seconds. And now, Julian, if you would sit down, please. So now we're going to do the same skill, the inline or prone kick, without the barbell. So Julian, I want you to keep your arms straight the whole time, and every 6 kicks, get a breath, keep that kick going, face back down. All right, ready, go. Good, keep it up. Attaboy. Good, kick during the breath, nice. Good, all the way, fast feet. Keep it up, fast kicks, arms straight, fast feet during the breath. And face back down. Now if Julian was taking a long time, if he was coming up and getting his breath and keeping his head up, I'd keep going with the barbell, but he did that well. He got his breath without hesitation. So now, Julian, we'll go to the last step of the progression. We're going to start working on a streamline. So Julian's going to put one hand on top of the other. All right, we're going to lock the thumb around the bottom hand. And now, head down between the arms. Every 6 kicks, breath, face right back down. Ready, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Good, fast feet. That away. Keeping the kick going during the breath. He's keeping his hands together pretty well. Keep those hands together during the breath. Hands together during the breath. Fast feet, head down, keep it up. Awesome. And then if they do real well with the SwimFin, we take the SwimFin off. And now Julian would do the Streamline Kick without the SwimFin. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. You can see he's doing a good job. His hands are starting to separate a little bit, which is why the progression is so important.
If you found this video helpful, leave your thumbs up and comments below. If you're looking for a complete step-by-step training and certification program, head over to SwimLessonsUniversity.com, where we put the science back into teaching children to swim. In the meantime, if you haven't already done so, click subscribe and turn your notifications button on so you never miss a video when we put one out. And remember, no other sports skill can save a child's life. Give a child a lifetime gift. Teach him or her to swim.